Hey guys, Diesel here.
And Fuse Control. And like many couples, we've had to overcome many obstacles.
We made this video to show the problems you face overcoming these obstacles. We added a comedic twist to it as well, so it wouldn't get too deep. We hope you guys enjoy.
Peace, suckers. Peace.
Boom! Headshot. Man, this game cheats so bad. Oh my god. Babe, you scared me.
What you doing?
Trying to play Siege. Could you let go of my arm?
I mean, I could, but why would I want to?
Bruh. Hey, son, I'm gonna be feeling so through. Cool, we can punish some more. Yeah. Alright, that looks good. Time to play the game. Alright.
Baby, I'm home.
Hey, babe, I'm about to play Don't Starve.
I just got home. Show me some lovin'.
Yeah. I just got on. Where'd she go?